Nadeem, we heard from you first. Perhaps you want to lead us off with a few of your key takeaways.
Sure. So it's almost what I started talking about earlier. It's to be careful what you wish for. I think that the mandated reporting requirements are now casting a wider net, and as a result, our system is flooded, or perhaps at times overburdened with calls and reports of things that people feel give rise to abuse or suspected abuse. And I've said this before in other contexts: a system that's overburdened and overtaxed will break or fail. And unfortunately, the victims of that failing system might be a child, and a child who's either taken out of a home because of an unnecessary or false positive report, or a child that isn't reported upon because the system is already overtaxed and it doesn't properly get to address those children. So be careful what you wish for.
Thank you so much. We then heard from Debbie. Debbie, do you have anything to add? Any thoughts from yourself?
I think the summary of my takeaway will be that when you go to these trainings and you hear people tell you better safe than sorry, they probably are people who do not understand the risks that come from making a mandated report. And there's not really any way to be safe from the repercussions of making a mandated report. So you just have to be prepared for those. And obviously, we want people to report suspicions of abuse, but you also have to walk into it with your eyes open about the damages that you are risking and have some way to be prepared to deal with that.